Come on, come down. Not yet. Ooh, that's a good jump for you right there. Down this way. Sky. Sky. Yeah, right. Pretty cool. No, honey, I can't go that way. I'm not going to fall down a mountain. You have to come back down this way. Watch out, little beetle. Will you please get out of the squirrels' homes? You're doing so good on the leash, you know. So proud of you. It's me. I'm the one crunching. What is it? Air conditioner. Must be nice and cool in there too. That's a pretty big jump, buddy. I can't go behind those bushes, sweetheart. You're kind of going under a tree again. Yeah, that's their homes, honey. You see all the holes? That's for the squirrels. That's where they live down there. Why don't we go over here where you went last time? Hey, we don't want to go too far. I gotta walk your sister too. Keep wanting to go back to the squirrels' houses. You got me under trees. Oh, we found a good spot to go to the bathroom. Okay, good deal. Oh, good job. That's a good boy. Very good. I think you did great. I think the squirrels will be very grateful to not have to see your poop. Okay. Oh, are we going again? Oh, we are. Great job, buddy. And I'm glad to see it was good. Okay.